So y'all know usually the day we go walking and everything, I'm not saying that we're not going to go walking, but I do want to, you know, get some more things out of this room. This is the hair lab, and this is where I do everything: dress, film, do office work, everything. And I have been working on this room, parting with things for a minute, and I am really seeing the flip side of it. Now, guys, we have come a long way with this room, and if you are on this journey with me, then let me know in the comment section down below how far you have gotten. Now, you all, I have come up with a whole bunch of different ways to downsize my room, and I am loving it. Every time we go on a walk, you all, I'll be telling you all what my thoughts are, how to regain my happiness, and I'm going to tell you right now, if you go back and look at other videos, you will see that this room used to be so full of things: makeup, hair, perfumes, shoes, clothes, a lot of different things. But now it has gotten down to what you see now.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it been waiting my whole.
Now y'all know that we have been downsizing this room for a minute, and I have been telling you all that it has been empty in and out. Now, this is my vanity set here. On my other channel, we be doing, hair and everything, and this is where I sit, to do my makeup and film and things. The top of this is glass, so a lot of the things that I have right here, like my makeup turnstile, I don't feel comfortable with sitting too much on this glass because it's glass. This thing right here is what I use for my makeup. And I have a lot of makeup, or I had a lot of makeup, you all. But I said, stop going out buying makeup. Put your makeup where you can see it and start using it up. So now, you all, I no longer go out. And see how I have two of these? I was double buying, not knowing if I had something, here already. So by the makeup being in my face, I don't do that anymore. I just replace whatever I feel like I need. I check this and I'll keep it moving. And it's convenient because I can sit it here or on this desk here. This desk has been so beneficial to me, you all, downsizing and everything, because everything can go on here. I can leave this desk in here, you all, and I can put all my purses and line them up against here. At one time, my office was against this thing, was on top of this thing. It is just another place that I can store things, but that's the problem. We're trying to downsize, and so if you're trying to downsize, do you really need something in here that's going to keep you being able to place things? You know what I'm saying? So today, we have made up our mind on what we are going to do with this unit. We are going to keep it, and we're just going to make it look better by painting it. Now, this here is jewelry that I have that I know I'm not going to wear anymore, and I was keeping the jewelry because of the little pieces that I could use to fix other jewelry. I don't need it because I have a kit that I just found in there that I can fix my other jewelry with. So I can throw all of that jewelry away. But this is a prime example of one of the reasons why I didn't want to keep this desk, is because I just showed you an example that with that desk being there, it holds so much. You know what I'm saying? And I really do like it. And that's how I was able to get rid of a lot of things that I had before, just by having it on that dresser, letting me, it being in my face. So I am going to make some really tough decisions today on some things that I like, that I am going to donate, get rid of, and downsize.
Ooh. I swore I'd block your number for good, but here you are texting me you up. I know exactly where this is, on your side of the bed at 3 a.m. I tell myself don't fall this time, but you say my name and I lose my mind. You're a bad idea again, but I always let you back in. Every time I say I'm done, I'm lying. You walk in the room and I stop trying. You're a bad idea again, but here I am at your door at 10. Guess I never learned my lesson. You're a bad idea again. Your friends all think I'm over this phase. Mine keep telling me to walk away, but we both know how the night goes. We talk a little, then lose control. I tell myself I'm stronger now, but you smile once and it all falls down. You're a bad idea again, but I always let you back in. Every time I say I'm done, I'm lying. You walk in the room and I start trying. You're a bad idea again, and here I am at your door at 10. Guess I never learned my lesson. You're a bad idea again. Maybe one day I'll actually quit, but tonight I'm not over it. You say come closer and I give in.
Now guys, the reason why I am getting rid of everything and downsizing everything in this room is because I love the way it makes me feel. The more that I get rid of stuff and downsize and give things away, the better I like it. The easier it is to clean this room and the house, because I have did the whole house, and I love the way it makes me feel. Most of the stuff that I had sitting around, I wasn't using anyway, but it was in my way, and I'm tired of organizing it. I am tired of rearranging it. I want to use it, throw it away, downsize, donate, and just be done with it. So if you're trying to downsize or something like that, and you're overwhelmed by all the things that you have, just ask yourself, would you buy it again? If something happened to it, would you go looking for it? And no, I would not. No, I would not. All the things that I have here was the time when, I was that person. I'm not that person anymore. So now here I am. I have changed. I have evolved. I have matured. And I just know how it feels when I don't have all of this stuff around me no more. So this is how I want it to be. So I am going to get back to it, but this is what we're doing today. You have reached Regina's Way. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below if you are on this downsizing, decluttering, rearranging journey with me. Also go over there and check out my other channel. It is called Regina TV. Underneath this bonnet here, you all, we got some things going on with the hair. That's what we do over there on Regina TV. We do the hair. And wait till I show you all what is going on under here. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. I'll see you on the next go around. Bye-bye.